You can't see me, but you can feel me. Vegardis AI Air Energy makes energy utilization more efficient, clean, and sustainable. Molisi Technology Inc. focuses on heat pump, R&D, and manufacturing, providing you with comprehensive energy-saving solutions. Our strong R&D team is constantly exploring and innovating to bring you excellent products. Our products cover various types including residential and commercial air source heat pumps to meet your different needs. Advanced testing laboratory simulates extreme conditions to ensure reliable product performance. Modern production line with strict quality control to create high-quality heat pumps. Careful packaging and transportation by well-known shipping companies ensure the safe delivery of products. Vegardis full DC inverter air source heat pump is energy efficient, creating a comfortable environment for you. It extracts energy from the air to achieve efficient heating, cooling, and domestic hot water preparation using environmentally friendly refrigerants. It is friendly to the environment and has excellent performance, saving up to 75% energy, reducing energy consumption and costs, operating in a wide temperature range, adapting to various climatic conditions, intelligent control, easy operation, allowing you to control comfort anytime and anywhere. Commercial heat pumps provide stable and reliable heating and cooling solutions for commercial premises. Perfect after-sales service with 1-year warranty for the whole unit and 3-year warranty for main components. Vegardis after-sales service follows ISO 9001 standards, aiming for 100% customer satisfaction and 0% complaint rate. Vegardis makes energy more efficient and the environment better. If you are interested in our project, please contact us.